Hello and thank you for joining my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I made pie with puff pastry, cheese and sweet potato. So I have a pack of puff pastry for 400 grams. I have some blue cheese, some cream cheese, a bit of sour cream, some red onion, a sweet potato, an egg for egg wash, basil, oregano, some pepper. This is what cream cheese, like this. Like 4 tablespoons. If you don't have cream cheese, you can use mascarpone. Mascarpone cheese. It's a lot sweeter, doesn't have any salt, but I like cream cheese. I have blue cheese here as well, and just break these in smaller pieces. This will give so much flavor. If you don't like blue cheese, just grate some cheddar and you can make these. It's gonna be different, but good as well. Okay, now I want thin slices out of these. Cut like this, super thin. If you use fresh puff pastry, just open the package and place it in your baking tray. If you have frozen one, make sure that you let it defrost and reach room temperature. Okay, I will make a cut here, like 1 centimeter wide along this. Not cut all the way through, but enough so we can make this pie nice and cute. Like this, and here too. So like this, put this cheese mixture in here, in the middle of this. Okay, and I'm gonna spread these nicely in the inside part of this pie, so I'm trying not to go on that border that we created. Okay, over cheese, add red onion, just open it up like this. Guys, you think it's enough? I think it's enough. Let's add freshly grounded pepper like this, some basil. If you have rosemary, please use some of that. Okay, and some oregano. Okay, beat up this egg with milk. You know, brush this. Brush, 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 and this will go in the oven, but not until we add over this some sweet potato, like so, really thin. like so. I use a mandolin to for slicing these thin. Okay, so a drizzle of olive oil, just like that, and let's bake these. The pie smells amazing and looks absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another recipe. Bye bye.